Let's talk about the recently launched Honor smartphone X6b. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus waterdrop notch, magic capsule display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 83.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 780 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies, it has 5 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.59 by 75.33 by 8.39 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options, midnight black, starry purple, ocean cyan, forest green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 35-watt supercharge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X6b has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at £100 sterling, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Bangladeshi taka, while the 6 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 499 Malaysian ringgits. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X6b smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.